2025 GMC pickup truck. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Okay, so anybody who got these trucks and you're located in Miami or anywhere, even out of state, you give us a call. We'll guide you how to get one installed. But if you're in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or Homestead, you give us a call and we come out and install it. Factory alarms only come with that the alarm fires off in cars, trucks, and anything only when the door is open. But if you beat the hell out of the whole truck with a baseball bat, nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the truck now. You're gonna see that the factory alarm is gonna set off this time. We just finished the installation. Let me go ahead and shut it off. By the way, people ask me all the time, hey, I have a factory alarm. I thought I had the shock sensor from factory. No, you don't. Factories don't add any type of impact sensor because they don't want to be responsible for false triggers and stuff like that. So you and your own. If you got these trucks, you already know that the only way it works is somebody opens the door, and so is everybody else. And that's the problem, because they'll come in and break your window, go through that back glass, or if you have a sunroof, they'll bust that out and go through there. Nothing's going to happen unless they open a door, and that's the bad news. So by adding the shock sensor, it's giving you that full protection that your truck deserves. So if anybody busts out a window, or they bang on, break that back glass in the middle, which is the one they usually crawl through there, the middle one back glass, and that will set off the factory alarm. Now I'm going to go ahead and bang on this glass. It's going to fire off. Okay. He got the message that the alarm went off. Okay. He got the message that the alarm went off. He wanted the module, so when the factory alarm goes off, he'll get a notification to his phone. That's an extra. He wanted to go ahead and get the whole thing. But a lot of people just get the shock sensor. I mean, 50-50. 50% get the shock sensor alone. And then you got the other 50 that also wants a notification when the factory alarm does go off. I send him a push notification, a text message, and you can even set it up for email. And then it comes with the GPS right on the app. So anybody in Miami, Homestead, or Fort Lauderdale that wants to get this done, don't hesitate to upgrade the security system in your truck. You give us a call and we'll guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Out of state, you give us a call and we have the DIY kits that we can ship to you, and you can get this done as soon as possible. And we thank you for watching this video.